This is my third time filming this video. The first time, the battery ran out. The second time, the microphone wasn't on. So if this doesn't work, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Shakura, and on this channel we talk about everything that makes me feel beautiful, which is usually fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and when the world gets its life back together, travel. Throughout this whole quarantine, I was really dedicated to trying new things because I'm the kind of person that once I find something, I use it over and over and over again. There have been things that came out that I haven't tried, and I just kind of wanted to sink my teeth into some new products. So this quarantine, I really got more into my body care, and I was led to this Olay Cleansing and Brightening Vitamin C Body Wash. Now, vitamin C usually is supposed to brighten. It's something I use on my face, my skincare routine every day, but I didn't know how that would translate to a body wash. And quite honestly, I don't know if it's made my skin brighter because I've only used it for a month, but I will tell you that it smells delicious. It's creamy. It really gives me a nice bathing experience, is what I'm looking for. So yeah, I've been really enjoying this. I heard that there's a pink version, and I heard that that one smells even better. So once I finish this, I will try that next. This is my first experience with the Olay body wash, and I am really enjoying it. The next thing has been out for a while, however, I have never tried it. I've already got a backup for it. It is the Way Hair Care Scalp and Body Scrub. This body scrub is so luxurious. Once you start to scrub it on your body, it starts to lather, and then it feels like you're exfoliating and you're also cleansing. It's beautiful luxury kind of experience. And really what I'm going for in my bath routine is obviously results. I want to be clean and I want to be, exfoliated, but I also like an experience in my bath and my showers, and this Way body scrub really gives me that experience. How many more times did I say really? Another body scrub that I've been using for the last few months, but particularly in June, is something that I got from Etsy. It's the Bay Harbor Beauty Creme de la Creme Sugar Scrub in the scent Vanilla Sandalwood. This smells very much like something I would like. It's warm, it's sweet, it's probably something most people want to use in the fall and winter. There are different scents if you want to try something different, but I can only attest to this. This body scrub feels different than the Way body scrub. I don't know. This is the Bay Harbor is a sugar scrub. I'm not quite sure what the Way Hair Care one is, but I do know that it feels different. It's equally as luxurious. The same people that make the Bum Bum Cream have recently come out with a body scrub that I think I'm going to order and see how I like it and how it compares to these two. Like I said, I already have a backup of the Way Hair Care, but I'm committed to trying new things, so let's see how that works. To go along with the Bay Harbor Beauty Sugar Scrub, I also got the Smooth Body Butter, the scent, also in Vanilla Sandalwood. This stuff is thick but not too thick. It melts very nicely when you put it on, and it leaves such a sheen, a beautiful sheen on your body, which is what I'm looking for because it's summertime and I like to glow. So yeah, I've been really enjoying those two products together. This is an oldie but goodie, and I'm sure you've heard about this many times, but this is the Heal Genius Amazing Foot Cream by Soap & Glory. I've been really committed to not only exfoliating, but also moisturizing my whole entire body, including my feet. And this has really given me a chance to pay extra attention to some place that usually goes by the wayside during the fall and winter, and it's beautiful. I don't know even why I stopped using it, but I have a backup. And yeah, something else I've been really enjoying. Okay, so I have a quick 3 more things as far as body care is concerned. I've been using the Paula's Choice Weightless Body Treatment, 2% BHA. It has salicylic acid and antioxidants. It exfoliates to reveal younger looking skin, softens, roughens bumpy skin, and improves texture and tone. This is pretty much a body serum. I didn't know that was a thing until a few months ago, and I think that a body serum is necessary. This has really helped me smooth out my shoulders and my back. I didn't have back acne, but it wasn't, it was textured for sure. And this helped. I'm also looking into the Necessaire body serum, because when you think about it, I use serums for my face. Why wouldn't I use serums for my body? So that's exciting. This has really been helping me. I love it. I love it. I love it. The other thing that I've been trying from Paula's Choice, which is now a staple that has helped seriously improve the texture of my skin, is the Paula's Choice 2% liquid exfoliant. This will always be in my collection. Within probably a month, I saw the difference in texture in my skin. I really don't have problem skin, but of course I do have pores, and exfoliating with this stuff, it's just... Okay, so the next thing was very interesting. So since everything has been closed down, I had not been able to go get waxed, or what I do sugaring. I haven't been able to go, go to the salons and get sugared or get my eyebrows done or my nails or anything. So I ordered a sugaring kit from Amazon, from the same people that actually do my sugaring here, my waxing here in New York. And I decided that I was going to sugar at home, which was absolutely crazy because this hurts. But it comes with a pair of gloves. I have this on top because I lost the top. But it actually also comes with the actual sugar. What you have to do really is warm up the sugar a little bit and then proceed to just rip the hair out of your body. I was too much of a punk to do it myself, so I had my husband sugar my underarms, and that's it. But it was so hilarious. I honestly wish that I would have filmed it. Like, there were tears, there were yelling, there was a lot happening, but I can say that I safely have smooth underarms and I don't have to shave, and it's all because of this sugaring kit. Now, as far as the rest of my body, I will not be tackling that by myself. Honestly, I know they're opening back up in New York. I don't know how safe I feel going back into salons yet. I'm gonna let y'all go outside, figure that out, and once y'all say it's cool, I'll meet you out there. I have been wearing concealer, a little bit of tinted moisturizer, and some lip gloss, just to, like, if we go out to the grocery store. We've been going out more, actually. We were just in Long Island and Jersey. That's a whole vlog. You'll see that. That's a whole nother video. But what I've been enjoying is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I put it under my tinted moisturizer, and it gives me a little glow, like you're supposed to glow in the summertime. And I've really been enjoying it. I put it on my cheekbones, a little bit here. I dab it, and I've been loving it. I think that it's important for me anyway, to maintain some sense of normalcy, and I usually like to get a little dressed up because that's just me. I've always liked to dress up, and just because it's the quarantine and just because COVID is happening and we are all in the middle of a shift in the world, doesn't mean that I have abandoned everything that makes me feel good. So that has been really important to me. On top of that, I have been using these Tom Ford lip glosses. You guys, these are so luxurious. Like, they're so luxurious. They look pretty. They're kind of weighted. They're totally unnecessary, but totally needed. I don't know if that makes sense. But in a time like this, again, for me, what makes me feel beautiful and feel grounded is things that, I've said this before, things that are pretty, and I don't care what anybody thinks about me, but it just makes me feel happy. So these two Tom Ford lip glosses have been my go-to. One color is Ravish, and the other one is called Crystalline. Crystal Line, I believe. It was kind of hard figuring out what I should get. It's always interesting trying to see what's going to work on brown skin, especially when there's not a lot of people on YouTube that have reviewed this with my skin complexion. But I'm here to tell you, if you are my skin complexion, these two work very well. It is a gloss that seems like it has an oil base. I can't even describe it, to be honest, but for me it's worth it. I think they're beautiful. And yeah, if I find more colors that work with my complexion, and if you are my complexion, I'll let you know and you should get them. Just to give you a point of reference, in the NARS Sheer Glow, I am a medium dark 5, which is Marquises. That's the color I wear. So if you are that color or similar to it, these will look fantastic on you. One more beauty related item, which is this Dyptique body spray. Now if you saw my last video of my perfume collection, you know that a sister likes to smell good. I did feel a way about spraying my expensive perfume just being in the house, even though sometimes I do it, but I found something that makes me feel equally as beautiful, and it's, I'm not going to say on a budget because it's still Dyptique, you know what I mean? Honestly, what it's like is, and it doesn't smell like this, but it's like a Bath and Body Works, but like for grown-ups, or Bath and Body Works for the bougie. It doesn't smell like Bath and Body Works by any means. I have this new candle. Oh my god, I match. I have this candle that I've seen everywhere on Instagram and on Pinterest. Oh, it smells so good. It's the Overrose Nudist candle. Overrose Paris, darling. And it smells just like fresh roses. Super weird. I don't know how they did it, but it's really, really pretty. Now, if you're not a person who likes roses, I would not try this one because it's very rosy. I don't feel like doing my eyes. I'm gonna go for sunglasses. Honestly, let's be honest. I go for sunglasses all the time, even if I do my eyes. But these, even though I would not wear it with this, because this is a lot, these have been my go-to. They are from Diff Eyewear. I am an oversized glasses type of gal. Those little sunglasses don't do anything for my very, very square face. They just look, I don't know, my face is too big for it. But these are fabulous. Do you love it? And the next thing are these earrings. They are a thick, big hoop earring that I think are absolutely fabulous. I like a big hoop, but I also love a pretty little dainty, like little stud or a little bit of hoop. I am just a jewelry lover, period. They are from a brand called Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. I hope I'm not mispronouncing that, but I will put a link to the bottom. They look like they would be heavy, but they're not. They're fabulous. I love them. So that's it. Those are my favorites for June. I hope it wasn't too much. Look forward to trying some new things this month to bring to you guys for July. And in July, can you believe it's almost July? I feel like we just totally missed spring. Hopefully 2021 will be better. Who knows? God willing. But yeah, these are my favorites. I look forward to trying some more. If you have tried any of these things or you have something to suggest for me to try, please leave it below. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. Turn on your bell notifications because I don't want you to miss any videos. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.